Hey guys, back in the video. Today, we're back with Farm Tour Part 3. And also, what am I doing on the camera? Mason, this is your place.
Yeah, this is.
Wait.
So,
Is that a ticket?
don't touch that. That is grease.
Is that a ticket? No, it's just...
It's a hunting nature. Come on. John Deere. Skid steer.
My water
Bobcat,
bottle.
Whatever you want to call it.
I found my water bottle.
Oh yeah, he chucked my water bottle. Let's see if we can see it. I can't see it, but it should be somewhere right here.
Should be like right here somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere in
We
this
were
area.
all the way up there.
Yeah, we were up there.
And I chucked it from
on the
over
hay
there.
bales. He threw it, and it went through the deepest hole, so it's somewhere down there. This is our backhoe, and this is our backhoe. Yeah,
Does it back up?
yeah, it's about, yeah.
No, does it back up? No.
Yes, this is our Massey Ferguson 1105, the biggest tractor on our farm.
Yeah, the tire's taller than us.
I'm 5 foot tall, maybe 5'1", and it's taller than me. So, if we quickly go in.
I'll say right here.
No, you coming in.
No, okay.
Bouncy seat.
I
We can see if it'll possibly start. I don't think it's gonna start. It don't like the cold. And I'm not getting it used to ether. It's already bad enough as it is.
Okay. Next is the lake, the part you guys have not seen yet.
Oh yeah, y'all haven't seen the pond. Close the door.
The door's heavier than...
Y'all haven't seen the pond yet. Don't worry about this. It's a gas filter.
Glease.
It's a gas filter.
Glease filter.
It's your mom's. Would you think they'll let me upload if I said that?
You'll figure out.
There's dirt in my shoe. What's wrong with you? Hold
It's
up, guys.
ice.
There's stuff in my
There's
shoe.
still like a bunch of ice in here.
Warning, don't look down here. Hey, you're gonna get YouTube child safety warning.
What? Okay.
Yeah, inappropriate content warning. You ever heard of that?
I've never gotten it before because I don't. Yeah.
I have. Why?
Wonder why.
My warning.
Oh no! I almost forgot. My lens cap is on my phone. Just kidding.
Alright, so down here we have the pond. Now, if we do what we were doing earlier, this is going to give us a warning. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me.
Ice pond.
I know. The pond is icy, but yet it's...
Strong.
How hot is it today?
It's 95 degrees. I wish.
I wish too. But then we wouldn't make this cool video with ice.
Then again, we would be able to go in your pool.
No, the pool's getting taken down. Right, I don't have internet back here. As y'all can tell, we've already been in the ice. There's a lot of ice chunks and
Oh
rocks.
my gosh.
A lot.
Looking at it from back here is crazy.
I know, we never realized it. But yeah, this is what we were doing for the past 2 hours. Make sure this video stays under 15 minutes or you can't upload it.
What? I can't?
Yeah, because you didn't verify your phone number yet. So we were doing stuff like this. Okay, not like that. More like this. Okay,
I'm not getting my shoes dirty. They are nice
Once
PF
again.
flyers.
like this. We were doing that.
Not a new record.
No, our new record is making it to the other side.
No, my new record. I made it all the way to the other
His
side.
record, not mine. Oh, I wasn't supposed to have any friction. I almost fell. over here. So if y'all come over here.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Well, if you come over here,
Okay.
you'll see that the ice back here is a lot more strong. It's melted a bit, but it's a lot stronger. Like, look. So you also have that rock busted right through it?
Yep.
Look. It got softer.
Oh,
Nope. Look, if I touch this rock right here, all the way up, didn't break. Didn't break. But y'all probably going, but that's a smaller rock. Well, here's a bigger rock. Oh, but you didn't throw it as high. Ice.
we need to go to
Like this
the cabin, Mason. Cabin.
That was a smackdown.
Mason, cabin.
Whoa.
Nobody wants to watch us to throw ice in the air.
What, ice like this?
It's a lot less impressive on camera. That ice has bad chemicals for you in it.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. If you pay attention in school, you'll know.
You don't even go to school.
I do. Well,
You're
technically, so.
homeschooled.
Yeah.
Which means you don't go to school. Ooh. Actually, guys. Okay, really quickly, Tristan, go and talk to them about the cabin.
No,
I'm
this
gonna do
is
something-
your house.
Yes, but I'm gonna do something special for y'all.
This is your place. You're
But while I
coming.
do something special, you go and talk to them about the cabin. I'll be right there. Go, be gone.
Okay, guys, we're going. We're going. We're going. I always wonder why that island is so big over there. Compared to the ground over here, the island is tall. Oh shoot, I don't have the key. I forgot I don't have the key. But I know his secret hiding spot, which is supposedly secret, but I know exactly where it's at. Whoa, oh, Chevrolet bench. Supposedly it's secret. Wow. One second. You guys need to stare at the corn. Maybe I have the wrong key.
Bottom one. What the hell's wrong? What the hell are you doing?
Trying to open the door. I can't do it with the camera. Other way, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Yes. Now this is the cabin. The walls look like the floors, and the ceilings look like the floors. Sorry, but we cannot play that. For reasons why I couldn't upload Farm Tour 3
Copyright.
before. Yep.
I'm doing something, so don't go outside or else YouTube will yell at us.
Why?
Stop looking at me.
Okay, Open. Can you see these? No.
Copyright?
I was just looking for CDs. Ooh. This record player like Handle Needle. Interesting. We used to have sweet tea and Coke, and we used to have sweet tea and cocoa.
Hot tea, not sweet tea.
We could find hot tea and then like running blend. If I find one little thing of hot cocoa, dibs.
Look at me.
So while we're in here, look at this fridge. Oh. I hate beer. Oh no. What is he doing? Yeah, we used to. I wonder if there's anything in here. No. We used to drink hot cocoa and sit on our Chemex and drink hot cocoa and eat a couple snacks to stay healthy and stuff like that. Yeah. Not much to look at in here. I mean, if you're living out here, I guess you could survive. But you would, in a way, die of hunger. So, yeah. It's a nice place. It's just you would have to sleep on one of these chairs, and it's freezing during the night in here. So, as we come out, okay. Man, I hurt my hand. I cut my hand on one of the hay bales. Nathan wants us to stay in here until he's ready for us to come outside. Well, in the meantime, let's just sit down on one of these chairs here and just relax. And a nice fireplace over there, fan, nice little radio. Yeah. Mason, time's up.
I'm not done.
We're at 13 minutes. You're gonna have to stop.
Okay, well, go ahead and stop then.
You don't want to make the outro?
You go ahead. We're gonna make a second video.
Okay. Anyways, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.